Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your videos or photos look warm by setting the temperature in the CapCut app. So tap on your project, select your videos or photos that you want to edit. Okay, I'm going to open my project and I already have one picture here. So to make the picture look warmer than before, you can select adjust at the bottom. Just click adjust. So here you can select the temperature, just click on it, and just swipe to the right to make it warmer. Okay, just click check mark. So that's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.